Hey YouTube, it's your girl Tiffany Hull. I'm about to make one of my other videos. My dad today went and got some Louisiana fried chicken. I got some french fries and a biscuit. I got a little Louisiana hot sauce. And I got me a bottle of water. And let's say grace. Thank you, Lord, for this food we're about to receive. We pray there's nothing deadly and harmful may not affect. Lord, bless the hands who prepared this meal before me. In Jesus' mighty name we pray. Amen. All right. You're down eating. They got some french fries here. I figure I'll do Louisiana. I can't do too much, a lot of chicken. Some of you guys got these YouTubes, and I mean, y'all got a lot of chicken on their plate. I can't do it. Yeah, that's good. Louisiana hot sauce with Louisiana chicken. That's good. Well, as I've been telling y'all, a lot of y'all been having a tough time back at work, trying to work. It's hard to work injured. And to have an injury on your hands is very hard. And with this rain, that's a horrible thing. Anytime you had a surgery or you've been hurt, injured, and it rained, that's some good eating. Most people don't eat this part of the chicken. I do. As I said, I'm Southern, so no chicken get left behind. I was looking at my girls Tasha and Steph, and they had some good stuff on there. Shout out to my girls. They always support me, you know. And my cutie Q, you know, shout out to her too. I was calling her twice. I'm a little old, so I say names. I mess a name up, but you know, she said cutie Q, so I remember that's her. And I love my beloved. And there's some more, y'all. Now I'm be giving a shout out. But I'll just tell you, doing these YouTubes, you get to eat good. You gotta just be careful because they're expensive, but you eat pretty good with them. I'll tell you. I know everybody. They got that one crazy family member. One that y'all see come, y'all be like, oh, hell no. Yeah, I'm on that man. I know we do. That same family member always show up all the time. They be the first one. They come sober. By the time the drinks get to cracking, it's over. You know y'all had a lot going for Thanksgiving. Okay. I still got some time here. I don't know. I don't know if my time is up. I gotta watch it. Let me see. I'm still filming. So, my girl Be Lovely said about the camera. So, I ordered a camera. So, it should be coming soon. And my videos are going to be booming, popping. Shebang bang. Mm-hmm. But y'all got that one family member who always show up on time. You say you throwing something, that person definitely gonna show up. And they gonna be the life of the party. Whether it's good or whether it's bad. And what would we do without them? I got a whole bunch of, well, my job is throwing a Christmas party. So I really didn't have a date. So I made the best decision. And my date is going to be my daughter. She's going to go to the Christmas party with me. That's what I'm going to do. And we're going to dress up like African princesses. I figured a lot of us don't do that in our YouTube. We don't, when we dress up and go out, we don't represent. You know, I want to represent. I don't care if it's an Indian dress or something. I want to put some culture out there on that red carpet. Mm-hmm. And this is bomb. I mean, talking about fire and desire. Mm-hmm. See, y'all won't be hearing that type of stuff no more. When I get my camera, I'm gonna be making double video. I got some ghetto video. My quality will be better. I have another thing I want to talk about on some more serious note. What is up with these men today? You know, you get a man, you gotta be very, very careful. When I say careful, I mean to the extreme careful. They not straight men anymore. They gay. And they out here sleeping with these women, and they trying to portray that they're a straight man. I don't know what Cupid law said it was okay. Be who the hell you are. Don't be a double standard. And if you are a double standard, let that person make that decision. You know, don't make it for them. Don't do that. Be who you are. Let that person know. And you guys both decide if that's what you want to do. Some women is for that. They don't mind. As long as they get their part. You got women like me that ain't gonna have it. I've been to sit with my pet bull on the nigga. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Put it down real quick for the crown. How you doing? That part right there. But, yeah, be who you are. Don't be out here portraying you a straight man and you a gay man. That's just not the thing to do. That's why we got so many people, innocent people, ending up with HIV and stuff like that. Let that be their decision. Then you guys can both be getting tested and doing the things you need to do. Men, don't be afraid. Don't be afraid to say who and what you are. If a woman can't accept you for who you really are and who you going to be to her or him, you don't need them. And the same thing vice versa. Woman, yeah, and they got a little high. But woman, if you choose to be with a woman, make it clear that you choose to be with a woman. Don't be out here with a woman and then get caught with a man, because you are messing with innocent feelings. Be careful with what y'all do out here. Be very, very careful and be honest with the partner that you choose. I'm going to kind of cut it short because I don't want to run out of time. I don't want to make 2 videos. But I love y'all so much. I thank you for all the support. I want to tell everybody that had a birthday that I missed, happy birthday to you. One of them happy birthday. You know what I'm talking about? This happy birthday. You know what I mean? I got to give y'all my love, all my support. Be real. Be real. If you can't be real to nobody else, be real to yourself. But I suggest that if you messing with somebody, you be real with that person. Don't string them along. Don't lie to them, because a lie turned into a bigger lie, and a bigger lie turned into a bigger lie. And then when everything Vitamin D said was done in the dark, it's going to come to light. I love you. Have a blessed day.